Yeah, hi. In the recent journey of Cothas over the last 75 years, the company has been growing at such a fast pace, and we have been growing in multiple product verticals. But our main product has been our coffee, and handling coffee is one of the biggest works that we face day in, day out. So when you look at it, we process huge tonnage of coffee on a daily basis. Handling coffee in the correct way makes it very crucial because the output has to be perfect only when the handling happens in the correct way. In India, the biggest challenge that we faced was the company is available to make the coffee handling without breaking the beans. Very crucial for us. A lot of companies came and gave us big promises and commitments saying that they can actually work on transporting coffee. But what we saw was one part of the coffee which is in the raw format, which is the green coffee, which goes in before the process, can be handled because the beans are hard and it's easy to control and it's easy to transport. But it took us years to find the correct partner to be able to transport the roasted coffee. Now, roasted coffee, we see that the beans are very brittle, it's very delicate, and we're not supposed to mix it with a lot of oxygen. So, this was one of the biggest challenges that we were facing, and it took us years until we met with Indpro, and Indpro took probably maybe a little more than a month to conceptualize the whole way of transporting it. And what really amazed Cothas about believing that Indpro can actually do and deliver this output was they were able to showcase this entire output that they claim that they can do in a lab setup at their factory. So when that was actually shown to us, I think it was no stop. With this, we were also pretty confident that they are able to give us that kind of an output. And I think it's probably around maybe 5 or 6 months since we've been using their technology, and I can proudly vouch that they have been a great partner with us to ensure that the beans are transported without any breakage. I won't say without 100% breakage, but the least breakage. And it was wonderful partnering with the team, and it was great working with the entire team, trying to understand our problems and solving our problems. Thank you.
Hi. So it was an absolute honor partnering up and collaborating with Cothas, a brand known for its legacy and quality. At Indpro, we believe in developing any type of solution that our partners need, and the collaborative effort that we put in to develop this solution with Cothas for handling of roasted beans gently and ensuring minimal breakage in them worked out so well. The team did a great job in conceptualizing, designing, and executing the complete system. Cothas, as a partner, they understood the need for testing. They understood that this is not a solution that is readily available and requires a lot of collaborative effort to develop it together. They were kind enough to bring a lot of material to us, visit us themselves, conduct the trials together, see how the coffee is being conveyed gently through our systems, and then get the confidence that yes, it is possible, and Indpro is the right partner to help deliver that, and that's what has happened. So yeah, that was a great experience working with Cothas, and we look forward and we wish them the best and best success for the future.